Hi, my name is Andrew Talovich, and I'm on the Windows Servicing and Delivery team at Microsoft. Welcome to the Windows 11 release notes for March 2026. Let's start by looking at a few highlights that start rolling out with this month's release. You can now perform a network speed test from the taskbar. You can control pan and tilt for supported cameras directly in the Settings app. The Emoji panel features new items from the Emoji 16.0 release, including a fingerprint and leafless tree. And we've made reliability improvements across Windows Update settings, the sign-in screen, nearby sharing, File Explorer, and more. Now, on to our Windows 11 tip of the month. Want to save minutes every day without installing anything new? With keyboard shortcuts in Windows 11, you can cut out the extra clicks and stay in the flow. Many people are familiar with common shortcuts like Alt-Tab to quickly switch between apps, or Control-C and Control-V to copy and paste. But those are just the beginning. Need to find something fast? Press the Windows key and start typing. You can launch apps, search files, or even find settings. No mouse or menus required. For power users, use Windows X to open a quick menu for things like Device Manager, Task Manager, or Settings. Need a quick screenshot? Windows Shift-S lets you grab exactly what you need, no cropping later. And if you're recording your screen, Windows Alt-R stops recordings instantly. Copied something earlier and lost it? Use Windows V to open your clipboard history so you can paste from multiple items. And yes, Control-Z still saves the day when you need a quick undo. Accidentally minimized everything? Windows Shift-M brings all your windows right back. Shortcuts can be used with files in File Explorer too. If you're using tabs in File Explorer, use Control-Tab to move between them, just like you would with your browser. Need to rename files fast? If the Function key is on, select a file and press F2. No right-click required. Finally, to add a little fun to chats, docs, and presentations, use Windows period and quickly access the Emoji panel from any app. These shortcuts might seem small, but together, they add up to real time saved every single day. For more possibilities, visit aka.ms/Windows 11 shortcuts. Try a few, build the habit, and let Windows 11 work faster for you. I hope you enjoyed this month's tip. Are there Windows 11 features that you'd like to know more about? Send us feedback via this month's release notes page, or leave a comment on this video on YouTube. You can find many more great tips on our Windows Community YouTube channel at aka.ms/Windows Community on YouTube. That's it for this month. Thanks for watching.